Ecosystems. An ecosystem is all of the living and non-living parts in an area. It is all of the living, also known as biotic parts, and the non-living, also known as the abiotic parts of an area. The organisms in ecosystems can be classed as producers, consumers, or decomposers. A producer, for example grass, uses sunlight energy to produce food. A consumer, for example rabbits, gets its energy from eating other organisms. They can eat the producers or other consumers. A decomposer is an organism that gets its energy by breaking down dead material. Bacteria and fungi are decomposers. The nutrient cycle shows us how nutrients move through an ecosystem. When dead material decomposes, the nutrients are released into the soil. They are then taken up from the soil by plants. The plants may then be eaten by consumers, and when the plants or consumers die, the nutrients are once again returned back to the soil. This transfer of nutrients is called the nutrient cycle. Now, food chains and food webs show what organisms eat. A food chain will show you what eats what, and a food web will show lots of food chains and how they overlap. Each part of an ecosystem depends on other parts, like consumers may depend on producers as a habitat, as well as a source of food. If one of these parts change, it can affect all of the other parts that depend on it. Let's have a look at an example. If blackberry bushes are cut back, there will be less food for the greenfly, and this could result in their population declining. If the greenfly's population declines, the animals that depend on the greenfly for food will also have less to eat, so in turn, their populations may decline as well.